Hello, this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another updating video. We have iPhone 17 Pro Max. We're gonna update to the last version of iOS that is in beta state still, that is iOS 27. Beta 4 of iOS 27, we're gonna check. So for this purpose, you have to go inside the setting option, go inside setting. In setting, you have to go to this option, it's called general, go inside general. After that, you have to go inside software update. In software update, you see I've updated to 26.5.2 and beta update is not on, you see off here. So get beta update, you have to hit on button. See iOS 27 beta and iOS 26 beta. So we're gonna try this one. If you don't see this one, we have to do some process to activate the beta developer option. So you have to activate developer option. So let's go to our computer or iPhone. In this case, you can open Safari, also Google Chrome. So wherever you want. So I'm opening Safari in this case. Then at Safari, you have to type Apple developer. And hit enter. Here at the top you see Apple developer option. Click this one. You'll go inside the Apple developer. You can download directly the software for your Mac. You can see Mac OS 26. You can click and download. So you have one account option. This is better. I click this account option. Then you have to connect with the same Apple account that you connected to your Mac. Click this one, go inside, hit continue to go inside, put the password, then sign in to your Apple account. Should be the same Apple account. They're sending me a code. You have to put test this device. I hit this one, go inside Apple developer. So you join Apple developer. When inside, you can make a profile with them, make an account with Apple developer. Here your name will appear. You see Harry Jeffrey. Accept all the term and condition they will give. After doing all that, you can close this one. It's done. We'll go back and we'll check here one more time. Is checking for update. You see here, perfect. So iOS 27 beta 4 26.74 gigabyte is here. I hit update now. You should have all your battery full or connect with your charger. You have to put your password. Yeah, lovely. Hit agree. Hit agree. But before doing all these things, please do a backup. You see update requested depend on the internet velocity. It will take some minutes, hour, 5 minutes remaining, very fast. And meanwhile, you can go and grab some tea or coffee. After 1 hour later, the update is done here. Took me a lot of time. I slide up. Software update complete. In this case, hit continue button. Hit agree one more time here. Continue button. Continue button. Next. Continue button. Continue. Welcome screen, get started. Click this one. I don't see a big difference so far here, but whatever, we have last version. You have to use and check which new things you have in this. Let's go to the setting inside. Let's go to general. Here software update. Here you can see iOS is up to date 27.0. So this is the way you can update your iPhone 17 Pro Max to the last version of iOS. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.